Let's have a look now at importing data. What we're going to do is we're going to export a spreadsheet, make some changes, and then import that spreadsheet. So let's have a look at that and see how it works. First thing you must do in this case, if you're importing and exporting, is to make sure that your drawing is associated with your project. So I've created a new drawing for you, JIC importing data. So as usual, go to the project, right click, add the active drawing, yes to the project default values. Sheet number has already updated to 002, so I don't need to worry about drawing properties. Now I'm going to export out to spreadsheet again, like we did in the previous video. I'm going to select the general option again like so, and I'm going to click on OK. We're going to do it for the active drawing to an XLS, Excel file format, and all location codes are going to be extracted. I click on OK. I'm going to save that to my desktop again, like I did last time. So it's saying save in desktop, click on save, and that saves the spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet now has gone out to the desktop. What we need to do now is open up that spreadsheet, edit the data in the spreadsheet, and then import the data back into our project drawing. So once we've got that spreadsheet saved with all the data in it, we need to go to the spreadsheet and make the changes. So let's do that now. I'll go down to my Windows taskbar. There's my spreadsheet there. And as you can see, it's JIC importing data XLS. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to change the descriptions of the objects. So I'm in the Comp tab of the Excel spreadsheet, which stands for components. And I'm just going to put some descriptions in. That's all I'm going to do, nothing major. So those are fuses. So we'll put fuse in for each of the fuses like so. And this is very boring and mundane stuff. You're just typing in entries. There's the relays there. What you can do to speed things up a bit, once you've typed it in once, hover over there and drag, and it puts relay into all three cells for you. And that's our motor there. So I've just put that information in like so. What I'm going to do now is save that spreadsheet. So I'll click on save. That's saved. And I'll minimize that now back down to the Windows taskbar. Now, this is where it's kind of cool. Because what I can do now is update my components on my drawing from that spreadsheet. So I go up to import now, the imports panel, and go from spreadsheet. I go onto the desktop now to find my importing spreadsheet. So I go down, keep coming down, I'll go past the folders first, and there's importing data. And funnily enough, just above it, there's exporting data from the previous video. So if I use that one there, click on open. I want to do it in the active drawing and also flip any updated tag wire numbers. Click on OK, chugs on through there, and look, can you see the fuse descriptions have appeared on the drawing? So if I now go into one of those to edit the component, you'll see the description line has gone in as fuse. Now I haven't changed anything else, I'll just cancel that now. But if I go to the relays as well and go to edit component, you'll see there's relay in the description. Now I've just done the simplest of changes, which is a description line for a component on the drawing. But you can see how important that is if you've got somebody working externally on a spreadsheet that is developing a bill of materials and may need to edit objects on the drawing from that bill of materials.